Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Firefox browser on your Motorola Moto G82 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search pool and enter Firefox browser. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here we can start customizing it. So the first thing is to pick the theme. You can change between light, dark or set it automatic. You can also pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Change always on privacy settings from strict to standard or from standard to strict. And here you can log in to your Firefox account to synchronize other devices. And here's the last thing, which is privacy notice. You can read that, and after that click start browsing, and here your browser will be ready. You can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.